In this video I will show you how to make these AI trending images for free. Before we get started, kindly subscribe and don't miss any of new tutorials. Open your browser. Search for Bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can type your prompt. Click on Create button. It did great job. Click on Image to preview.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you want to download this image, simply click on Download here. I will add this prompt in video description. If you want more prompts and tutorials like this, let me know in comments section.